Facial care for combination skin. Having combination skin can be challenging, as it can be both oily and dry in different areas. Here's a guide to taking care of combination skin. First, make sure to cleanse your skin regularly. Use a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and impurities from your skin. Avoid using cleansers that are too harsh, as this can strip your skin of its natural oils. Second, make sure to use a moisturizer. Moisturizer helps to keep your skin hydrated and nourished. Look for a moisturizer that's formulated with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and antioxidants to help protect your skin. Third, make sure to use a face mask. Face masks can help to nourish and hydrate your skin. Look for a face mask that's formulated with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, and clay to help balance your skin's moisture levels. Fourth, make sure to use a serum or oil. Serums and oils can help to nourish and protect your skin. Look for a serum or oil that's formulated with ingredients like vitamin C, peptides, and antioxidants to help protect your skin. Fifth, make sure to use sunscreen. Sunscreen helps to protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays. Look for a sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 and make sure to reapply it every 2 hours. By following these tips, you can help keep your combination skin healthy and balanced. Combination skin is a common skin type that is characterized by having both oily and dry areas on the face. This can make it challenging to find the right skincare routine to keep your skin looking its best. In this guide, we will share some tips and tricks for taking care of combination skin. Tip 1. Cleanse your skin twice a day. Cleansing your skin is essential for removing dirt, oil, and other impurities that can clog your pores and lead to breakouts. Use a gentle, non-comedogenic cleanser to wash your face twice a day, and be sure to remove all traces of makeup before going to bed. Tip 2. Use a toner. Using a toner can help to balance the pH of your skin and remove any remaining traces of dirt or oil. Look for a toner that is alcohol-free and contains ingredients like witch hazel or salicylic acid to help unclog pores and prevent breakouts. Tip 3. Moisturize your skin. Moisturizing your skin is essential for keeping it hydrated and preventing dryness, which can lead to flakiness and irritation. Look for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that won't clog your pores or make your skin feel greasy. Apply it to your face and neck twice a day, after cleansing and toning. Tip 4. Use a spot treatment for breakouts. If you're prone to breakouts in oily areas of your face, use a spot treatment to target those areas.